Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Snapchat application using your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video tab. Open Snapchat application from the app drawer. The first interface of Snapchat will look like this. Go to the login button if you want to log into your account if you have an existing account for Snapchat, but if you don't, you'll need to tap on the sign up button and register yourself in order to create a new account for Snapchat once you tap on the login button. This will be your login area for Snapchat. On the next page, type in your username or your email address that is associated with Snapchat into the first text box. Once you do that, you need to type in your password. On the next field, make sure to type in the correct password that you created for your Snapchat account. Once you're done entering your credentials and it is correct, to tap on the login button in blue. But in case you've forgotten your password and you don't know how to log into your account, simply tap on Forgot Your Password link and follow the on-screen prompts to retrieve your password back for Snapchat. Once tapping on the login button, wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to find yourself inside your camera screen of Snapchat. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. We'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.